Alimony is a monthly allowance paid typically to meet the needs of one party. The court has many factors it considers in an award of alimony. That may be the ability of the other party to pay, and more typically it's going to consider the length of the marriage. A long-term marriage in Georgia is often considered a marriage of 10 years or more. These are often alimony cases. If you have two people of similar earning capacity, alimony is oftentimes not necessary, so it's not something the court's going to consider. If you have one party whose earning capacity might be impaired by a long-term marriage where one party or another may have stayed at home for a considerable amount of time, in those particular cases, alimony is typically justified in order to compensate for the diminished earning capacity going outside the marriage, leaving the marriage for one party or another. With regard to shorter-term marriages, maybe a marriage of a year or two or three, where certain needs were presented or certain detrimental reliance may have occurred. Sometimes people give up job opportunities to move somewhere, and the marriage unfortunately doesn't work out. Rehabilitative alimony is something that the court can consider and can award. Rehabilitative alimony is meant to bring the parties back to parity as best the court can. It's an equitable consideration. It's something that we have to contemplate based upon the needs of one party to pay, and present a way to make the other party as whole as the court can, given the needs of that party.